Good morning. I've had to have a new roof put on, and they're up there now get me a new roof put on. They came yesterday and delivered the shingles.
Careful, okay?
Good morning.
Careful, right?
I will. I'm making a video. Is that all right? I've got a YouTube channel, and it's all right. I'm going to make a video. Y'all, they can't tell who you are. I just wanted to video this. But they're putting the roof on. It's a beautiful day. Huh?
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. You doing all right? I'm going to get out here and further. Yeah, they're getting the shingles off of the roof. They've already got one side of it off. If you need, in Tennessee, if you need a new roof, these people, it's the one that's doing it. Blue Raider Contracting. I'm going on down this way. Man come mowed my yard this morning, so it looks good. I'm going to get it from every angle. He said they'd be through by dinner, so that would be great. But if you need a new roof, this young man, I was very impressed with this young man. Yeah. Yeah, but look, not going to take them long, is it? Is that the man yonder? No. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's my house. I got my roof put on, and it looked so good. It was, the roof that was on there was about 25 years old, but it started leaking. So, got it on. It didn't take them but one day to get that roof on. But that looks so good. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank you. Well,